Hey, I'm Sohan, one of the co-founders of Flint. Today, I'm excited to share 4 major upgrades that we've made to Flint. The first is that we've renamed Tutors in Flint to Activities. Now, this is based on popular demand. We heard from a lot of educators that the word tutor didn't properly encapsulate the different ways they were using Flint. So we hope that Activities is a much better choice. For example, you might set up an activity in Flint for your students to quiz them on some content, to give them problem-solving practice, or you might create an activity where they're debating against the AI. The next update we've made has made it a lot easier to view your students' work in Flint. So let's say you click on an activity that you've made and given out to your students. You'll now be brought to this overview page, which gives you this nice wide table to see all your students' work. By default, these sessions are sorted by when your students created them. But you could sort by other fields, like when they submitted it, or what grade you or the AI assigned to those students. We hope that this overview page makes it much easier to find and see your students' work. The third update that I'm excited to share is that we've added message suggestions into Flint. Now, when students are interacting with the AI will give them some conversation starters and some simple prompts to help keep the conversation going and to prevent them from getting stuck. Let me show you what that looks like. So for example here, let's say I click Start Session to go into the student view. The AI will give me some suggestions of how I can start this conversation. So let's say I click on one of these and fill in the blank. Once I send that message, the AI will give me subsequent suggestions for how I can continue the conversation. So as you can see here, it's giving me some suggestions. I can click on one of them and continue the conversation, or of course, I can type in my own response from scratch. The final update that I've got to share today is that we've added the ability for teachers on Flint to adjust the speaking speed of the AI during an activity. This has been one of our most popular feature requests, especially from world language teachers. Let me show you how it works. So for example here, I've got this activity where students are speaking back and forth in French with the AI to order food from a restaurant. As a teacher, I can click on Activity Settings, head to the Language Settings, and I can see that there's this toggle for speaking speed. Right now, if I were to click Listen on this message, the AI would speak at a normal rate.
Bonjour, aujourd'hui, nous allons discuter de la nourriture en utilisant un exemple de menu de restaurant français.
Now, let me go in and slow down the speaking speed. Let me bump it down to 0.75x and click Listen.
Bonjour, aujourd'hui, nous allons discuter de la nourriture en utilisant un exemple de menu de restaurant français.
As you can see, the AI slows down its speaking, which can make Flint a better fit for more novice language learners. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. As always, we're eager to hear your feedback once you have a chance to try out these changes.